every day, even right under the trail. We got a mother bear and 2 cubs, very, very active this week. We've seen them multiple times. You guys are incredibly lucky. You basically have the whole place to yourself. If you were here this past weekend, we put 80 people on every single car for all 3 days. Not only that, it's one of the best visibility days we've had the entire season. It's absolutely spectacular. Here's beautiful Echo Lake out across from me. Nice beach there at the far end. They have boat rentals and concessions.
We'll check that out. We did a boat sale.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see what?
Yeah, I saw it.
We can do that.
See what?
Is that Jay up there?
Yeah, the real pointy one is the peak of Jay.
Okay.
You'll be able to see it much better once we gain some elevation.
Wow.
She's beautiful.
Does anyone see any bears?
Out my side, big rocky peak up there is Mount Lafayette, the highest mountain outside of the presidential range. It's the 6th highest in New Hampshire.
I think my friend Mary.
Lafayette is a mile high, almost exactly. And the Appalachian Trail goes right across the top. Georgia to Maine.
How's the trail coming back down?
Steep, rocky, wet, not well maintained. It's one of the steepest trails in the world.
There was a few years ago, right? They had a lot of rain and they took a wash out.
You want to see him up? No way.
Looking up the hill here, yes, this is a ski trail beneath us. We do actually ski down this in the wintertime.
Really?
Steepest ski trail on the East Coast, according to Ski Magazine.
Do you ski as well?
That's why I'm standing here right now, so I can ski for free in the wintertime.
Is that what you do?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you also work in the wintertime?
I do,
Winter.
but not on the trail.
No, here.
I have a nice warm office, so I can go outside when I feel
nice.
like it.
Nice.
Here's the other tram car on its way down, out my side. It's good luck to wave. Any hand gesture will do
Here,
fine.
Ben.
Thank you. And we have cutesy nicknames for the cable cars. We call that one the mustard. You're inside the ketchup. Red, yellow, get it? Relish the view.
Well, that goes so fast.
And you can see evidence of Mother Bear and her cubs right here in front of us. There's a lot of old dead tree stumps and logs that have been shredded to pieces. She comes right out here into the middle. She's been teaching her cubs how to rip those dead logs apart to get to the grubs and worms on the
You
inside.
went there?
We do get this close to the bears sometimes. They are not afraid of the tram car. Until somebody yells, "There's a bear!" They hate that. That makes them run away. And if you think it's crazy that we would even just ski down this trail, in the 90s we had a very famous filmmaker here, Warren Miller. He makes extreme ski films. We had the tram stopped up here by Tower 2, and the skiers were jumping out of the tram coach.
No way.
Okay, when we pass this next tower, there's a change in the angle of the cable. This makes us swing and sway. Very, very gentle, but please prepare yourself. Here it comes.
Oh boy.
What?
So visibility just doesn't get any better than this. Out the back where we came from, there you're looking into Maine, northern New Hampshire here, back down the cables. Here, across from me, you're seeing up into the province of Quebec in Canada. And then all of the green mountains of northern Vermont further to the left. With binoculars today, we're also seeing the Adirondacks in New York State. It's about 110, 115 miles away.
Really?
But it does seem like it's hazing up a little bit in that direction. Looks like they might be getting some rain.
Good catch.
Very good day. Very lucky to be here. Here's another little swing on this next tower. Beautiful walking trail up here. Head out the left side of the building. It's called the Rim Trail. It's a 30-minute loop around the summit. Brings you up to a tower. That's where you're going to have 360-degree views. I
Yeah.
highly recommend doing that. Again, it takes about 30 minutes in total. It's well marked, the Rim Trail. Inside the building, you'll find restrooms, food service, coffee, and beer. Yes. Let me try that again. Beer. I knew there was a few of you here. We go every 15 minutes on the quarter hour. Take any car down you wish until 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, last car down.
What's that?
And expect a few small bumps as we dock here. Bump, 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 bump.
Like Big Bob did. What? Yeah, we're here.
Just in case you forgot, we're gonna bump here. Not too bad. When you are ready to come down, we load both cars from this side of the platform here by these green benches. Again, we load both cars from this side of the platform here. We appreciate your business this afternoon. Welcome to the summit. There's no boring speech on the way down.
Thank you, Jack. That was good.
Good job, Jack.
Thank you. That's the appropriate response. I appreciate it.